Hi, thank you very much for being here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to change the size of dimension in AutoCAD. Let's come to the computer screen, and here you can find different dimensions, and you can notice that this dimension size is bigger than this. And if you want to increase the size of this dimension also, you have to double click here. Now you are in editing mode, and you can find a text editor tab has appeared, and in this tab you will find a value here 0.18, and if you wanna change its value, like it's too big, this one is 0.20, and if you want to change it to 0.30, you can type it here and hit the enter. You can see the dimension effect. So after setting it up, you have to close the text editor. Now you can see the dimension size has changed. You are still in the command. If you want to close this command, you have to hit the escape key from your keyboard. So this is a way how to change the dimension size in AutoCAD. Let me repeat it. For this, you have to double click. You are in editing mode and text editor is here, and you have to change the value of text and hit the enter and close the editor. You are still in command and hit the escape key to deactivate this command. Here we go. So this is a way how to change the dimension size in your AutoCAD drawing. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.